Let's make a New England aster steam. Making herbal steams are easy and great for helping to break up congestion during a respiratory illness. Steams require very few items to create. You will need fresh or dried aromatic herbs. I am using New England aster flowers. You'll also need a large bowl to hold the hot water and the herbs. You'll also need a large towel to cover your head and the bowl with, and a pot of hot water. To begin, sit in a comfortable chair in front of the bowl. Drape the towel over your head. Pour the water into the bowl with the herbs in it. Now cover the bowl with the towel and breathe in the steam. Continue breathing in the steam for several minutes until you feel the congestion starting to break up. You can repeat a steam several times a day. The steam will help the stuck, congested mucus to break up in your lungs so that it can be more easily expelled, creating a productive cough.